Want to unlock the secret to looking younger and shedding pounds? All in a glass? You're about to discover the most powerful juices that can turn back the clock and trim your waistline. Let's juice up. Welcome, juice lovers. Today, we are diving into the magic of nature's most powerful elixirs. These aren't just any juices. These liquids are youth and weight loss powerhouses. First up, we have the pomegranate power juice. This little gem is loaded with antioxidants that fight off aging like a superhero, fighting off inflammations and maintaining youthful cells. Think of it as your personal time machine in a glass. To make it, you will need 1 cup pomegranate seeds, half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of spinach, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Blend them all up with water and enjoy. Next, carrot glow juice. Want skin so radiant that people stop you in the street? This one is rich in lutein and beta-carotene, giving you that healthy glow, minus the Instagram filter. It also improves eye and brain health. Here goes its recipe. 3 large carrots, 1 orange, 1 inch ginger, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Juice together for a skin-boosting drink. And finally, the one and only, Beet Vitality Juice. It contains nitrates that are great for blood circulation, support muscle function, and keep your heart happy. Also, let's be honest, it's the closest thing to drinking rubies. To make it, you will need 1 beetroot, 1 apple, half a lemon, and 1 inch of ginger. Juice it up and serve chilled. Alright, now, let's talk weight loss. First up, we have the celery detox juice. This one is basically nature's broom, sweeping out toxins and keeping you hydrated. This is because it's low in calories and high in water content. To make it, you are going to need 4 celery stalks, 1 cucumber, and half a lemon. Blend with water and drink fresh. Then there is the lemon ginger green metabolism booster. Fiery, fresh, and fantastic for kick-starting fat burn. Plus, you will feel like an actual health guru drinking this. It's great in metabolism and aid in digestion. Here goes the requirements for this one. 1 lemon, 1 inch ginger, a half of cucumber, and 1 teaspoon of honey. This one is optional though. Juice it up and enjoy. And of course, I saved the last for the best. Kale apple fat burner, because we all want to lose weight without suffering. It is sweet, tangy, and packed with fiber. Your stomach will really thank you. To make it, you are going to have an assemble of 1 cup of kale, 1 green apple, half a lemon, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Blend and drink for a nutrient-packed boost. So, there you have it, the easiest way to stay young and trim. No surgery, no intense workouts, just delicious juice. Nah, go blend yourself into greatness. Wait, does this mean I can eat 5 cupcakes after this?